I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this automatic 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And for this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. The car also features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.